Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will introduce for all of you guys about FAT Insta. So a very great software to manage Instagram account and make some business scan information in Instagram. So let's go to the first one. In here is account management. So in that account management, you can add more portfolio. So add some category in here like main account, clone, and anything you want. So in here you can add the account. In the S account, you can add any account in the category you just create and add some format like username, Instapass, Instakey, 2FA, mail, pass mail, and recovery mail, anything about the Instagram app. In the next one is content management. In content management, you can add more category about the like post, comment, message, anything content you want to send, you want to share. So you can add the article in here, like you can add some with the like post type. You can choose put image, video, document, share, story image, or story video. And you can choose article, comment, texting, or share. In the post title, you can put anything you want, and here is the content. You can put content in here. So if you want to put the video, so you can choose video in here. And the next one is account interaction. In account interaction, you can choose some script to make your account like real people. Using Instagram, you can add some script here with a repeat interaction with follower, interaction with monitoring, or interaction by username, or interacting by keyword. So you can make your account like real people, like a user, not a bot. So you can so you don't care about the Insta scan your account, and you don't need to care about the Insta scan your account and think it is a bot. So here is the last one is messaging function. So you can send a message to anyone, like send message by account, send to the follower, and send to the person who is watching. So you can make some configuration in here. So to the next one is post function. So you can post in in Instagram. In here you can make some content to put automatically on your app, your account, with the image, video, document, share, story video, or random. So you also make some setting in here. In the next one, you put reel. You can put reel into your Instagram. Also make some function in here with like share to Facebook or interaction after posting. So the next one is setting function. You can setting into any post and reel, anything you want. So you can post setting by keyword, setting by account, or setting follower, setting people are watching, setting by link, or the setting by link like live stream. So you can setting by link. So you also make some configure setting article in here like this. And the next one is scanning function. So about the scanning function, you can scan any account and get some data. You can also export data into the Excel file. So you can also scan article, and you put the article list in here and scan. You can also scan with the keyword, or scan article in the form of photo. So you can select one interactive. So you can scan any interactive by the article ID, by the username, by the rules scan by ID, or rule scanning by the username. So you can put the scanning in here. Any port you want to scan, you can just scan a line or scan command to get the data and export into the data to the Excel file. And the last one is scan. And you just see here user scan. You can scan any post of any UID, any Instagram name. And the last one is about account version. You can cancel monitoring. In here you can. And the next one is change account information. You can change account information automatically in the old account. Like when you put the information in here, you can change the full name or username. You can change the name like the US name or Vietnam name or the name by the list. You enter the name list in here. So you can change and change the username. So you can also change the icon. You change the avatar, change the bio, or change the gender. This last one you change security information. You can change the password, change the email, and you can delete the old phone number or delete the old login equipment. So in here you can choose the password format. You can choose a random password from 10 to any character. So you can enter the password in here to change. So this is everything about the MPT Instagram. If you want to buy our in our software, contact me in the bio or the number on screen right now. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you in the next time.